guys, and welcome to our Tobago room tour. Well, it's actually an apartment, so my bad. So let's go. So as we come up this staircase here, we have a bathroom right here, a toilet, right? We have this door here, which I find is really good for if you have kids because they can't come out. So it's a little safety net in case you're doing something inside, you're gonna take a quick shower or whatever. So this is good for that, right? So we have 2 bedrooms in this apartment. This is the first bedroom. It is something like a studio, not a studio, what you call it? A master, because it has a shower in it. Comes with a mirror, cupboard, and 2 nightstands, one here, one by each bed head. Has an AC unit, and it comes with the on-wall switch as well as the remote. The remote is there. Right, so let's go to the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom here. Same thing, 2 beds. And you know what is really amazing about this? You know, sometimes you go for a stay and there's helter-skelter looking for charging ports. So each bed head has a charging port. Has one here and one there. Same thing over there. Well, one of the beds didn't have one, but at least there were 3, so you know that everybody could charge the phone. Right, so let's go to the kitchen area. So this is the hallway. Right. We will go outside to give you a tour of the pool as a sneak peek. Right, so this is the kitchen area. As you walk in, there's a refrigerator. There's an AC unit in here as well. Table, a dining table. So you're gonna have your family. So if you want that family type of vacation where you wanna sit and dine like we do, you can sit at the table and have your dinner, your lunch, your breakfast, right? We wanted somewhere as well that we could make our meals. Not saying that we didn't want to buy, but at some times you want to make a little home breakfast, so we had something with a stove. And this is the kitchen area. It is very roomy, as you can see, so nobody will be bumping into each other and all those good stuff. And there's also another bathroom area here, shower, and toilet over here, right? So, and there's a lot of cupboards, overhead space, and a microwave, before I forget. So yes, let's go down to, oh, we forgot this sitting area here. And they also left us, we have to say, the broom and spoon and a mug, and a kettle, because you know tea is a must. So this place here that we stayed at, this, you see right over there, this building here, that's the grocery, that's the supermarket. So it was so easy for us to just make our little groceries. In case you forget anything, you could run across real quick, you know, and get anything like you might forget. So we're gonna go down to the pool area now. Welcome to paradise. There's Daddy. So as you walk in, you have this beautiful landscape area. They've given you this, like if you're in the tropics, giving you real hotel vibes on a budget. So here's the pool area, a very huge pool area. You can also chill outside here if you want to have a little dinner or a little lime. It's spacious. And I think the pool hours are 8 to 12, 8 to 9.
So we can bathe
Up until whatever time.
Yeah,
so you
it
don't really
doesn't
have a
matter.
time limit. You know,
No.
some places because of a certain time you don't have that problem. Yeah. So this is I didn't even mention where we stayed. So this is Tobago Transit Inn. And Canby Tobago. So alright guys, so in the back here you have a line space and a washing area. So
Yeah.
you could stay for a lengthy period of time and wash your clothes, hang your clothes, and nobody going to thief your clothes and all those good stuff. You coming back and meet your clothes, you come back and nobody going to thief your clothes and all those good stuff. You coming back and meet your clothes, you come back and meet your things, and everything is secured. Also, we left numerous times and nobody interfered with our stuff. We came back and met the room exactly like we left it, the place exactly like we left it. So here is a very reasonable and
It feels like
place.
home away from home.
Yeah, but look at it. Look at this. A little paradise, practically.
And okay, so it has parking to the back also.
Yeah.
It has parking to the back. So right, it has parking to the back here. You can also pass this way. It's really big outside.
And front parking.
Yeah.
Also, this place is monitored by cameras, so you
Right now.
yeah, so you are very safe.
Right. It has a 2 washrooms out here. If you're out here, you don't have to go up in your apartment. You can use the washrooms outside.
Yeah.
So it was cool.
Yes, and this is the outside shower. There's one here and one over there.
Where? Oh,
One here.
shower here.
Yeah, and one there before you go to the pool.
And yeah, where's the other shower?
Okay.
Oh yes, here.
Yeah, that's okay.
And the place is
Just if you're
fully
chilling.
secure because it has security.
If you just
Say
TV.
hi, Just TV.
Hit him with the zoom real quick. Daddy, wanna say hi? Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. Let me turn the camera off of me.
Oh, sorry.
Alright guys, that is the end of
To that.
this video. Alright Caribbeans, so I had so much fun filming this video for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. Yes guys, so we're on the road to 1K subscribers. Yes. So look out for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Yeah guys, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Take a chance with me right way, I could be the best thing in your life.